Did you know some of your daily habits could be damaging your brain? That's right, some of the things we do every day without even thinking could be causing harm to our most vital organ. Our brain controls every function of our body, so keeping it healthy is crucial. But what if I told you that some of your routine activities might be secretly sabotaging your brain health? Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned as we delve into 7 habits that could be hurting your brain without your knowledge. First on our list is the lack of sleep. This common habit is a silent brain damager. When we don't get enough sleep, our brains can't perform essential functions like memory consolidation, where our brains process and store the information we've learned during the day. Sleep deprivation also impacts our cognitive functions, affecting our ability to think clearly, make decisions, and even control our emotions. It's like running a machine on overtime without any rest. So, make sure to give your brain the rest it needs. Next up, we have high sugar consumption. Sweet treats might be tempting, but did you know they could be sabotaging your brain? High sugar intake can lead to cognitive decline, impairing your memory and learning abilities. It's like pouring syrup on your brain's intricate wiring, slowing down its functions. This doesn't mean you have to completely cut sugar from your diet. Just be mindful of what you're consuming. After all, your brain deserves the best. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to sugar. Thirdly, we have dehydration. Water is like the oil in your car's engine. It keeps everything running smoothly. In the brain, it helps with the production of hormones and neurotransmitters, vital for cognitive function. When we're dehydrated, we're essentially running on empty. This can lead to cognitive dysfunction, manifesting as difficulty in focusing, short-term memory problems, and even mood swings. Just like you wouldn't let your car run without oil, don't let your brain run without water, so make sure to stay hydrated. Fourth on our list is multitasking. Despite popular belief, our brains aren't designed for multitasking. When we attempt to juggle multiple tasks at once, our productivity can decrease by as much as 40%. This constant switching between tasks can cause stress, which over time can potentially damage our brains. It's similar to running too many applications on your computer at once. Everything starts to slow down. So, remember, for a healthier brain, it's better to focus on completing one task at a time. Moving on, we have a sedentary lifestyle. This is a crucial one. When we don't engage in physical activity, our brain health suffers. Regular exercise not only keeps our bodies fit, but also stimulates brain cells, enhancing cognitive function. On the flip side, a sedentary lifestyle can lead to cognitive decline. It's like forgetting to water a plant. Eventually it withers. So get up, move around, and keep that brain of yours in top shape. Remember, a healthy body equals a healthy brain. Next, we have alcohol consumption. It's no secret that alcohol can have harmful effects on your brain. Over time, excessive drinking can lead to memory loss, making it harder for you to recall information or learn new things. It can also impair your decision-making abilities, leading to risky behavior and poor judgment. Even moderate drinking can have these effects. So, it's important to be mindful of your alcohol intake. So, think twice before that next drink. Last but not least, we have overexposure to noise. We live in an increasingly noisy world, from the constant hum of traffic to the barrage of notifications on our devices. This chronic exposure to loud, intrusive noise can lead to heightened stress levels, triggering a cascade of physiological responses that can impair cognitive function over time. It's not just about preserving your hearing, it's about safeguarding your overall brain health. So, remember, when you protect your ears, you're also protecting your brain. To wrap things up, let's summarize. We've delved into 7 common habits that can harm your brain. These include not getting enough sleep, consuming too much sugar, failing to hydrate properly, attempting to multitask, leading a sedentary lifestyle, consuming alcohol excessively, and overexposure to loud noise. Each of these habits, individually or in combination, can significantly damage your brain health over time. Keep these in mind and take steps to protect your most vital organ, your brain.